Hello everyone, welcome to our second flipped lesson. Today's topic is on comparing decimals. For this topic, I will actually break up the videos into three. So this is the first of the three videos. We will be looking at more than, less than. The second video will be on great number patterns, and then the third video will be on greater or smaller. So at the end of all the videos actually, you should be able to compare and order decimals. So let's recap what we've learned about whole numbers before we move on. What is 1 more than 6? Now first I need to identify where 6 is on the number line. So if 6 is here, 1 more than 6, it's actually 1 to the right, and this will be 7. So 1 more than 6 is actually 7. 1 less than 6, I will move to the left, and it's actually 5. Alright, so this is what we have understood when it comes to more than, less than already. So now let's look at how we will use this for decimals. So now let's look at more than, less than in tenths. So if I ask you what is 0.1 more than 0.6, what would the answer be? Now another way of looking at it is 0.1 is actually 1/10. 0.6 is 6/10. So what is 1/10 more than 6/10? I think you should know that it's about 0.7/10. So it's about 0.7. Now we can also use a number line to help us. So if I have from 0 to 1, each interval will give me a tenth. So now I want to locate where is 0.6. So if 0.5 is here, 0.6 would be here. So this is 0.6. Okay. Now then I need 1/10 more than that, so or 0.1 more than that, I will increase by 1. So this is increased by 1/10, so this will be 0.7. Alright. Now likewise, if I ask you what is 0.1 less than 0.6, again another way of looking at it is 1/10 less than 6/10. You know it's 5/10. So if this is 0.6, I'm going to jump to the back, I'm going to decrease by 1, I will get 0.5. So let's use that same understanding and let's try to understand more than, less than for hundredth. So if I ask, what is 0.03 more than 0.13, what I'm actually asking is what is 300ths more than 1300ths. So you should know that 300ths more than 1300ths, it's 1600ths. Okay, so another way of looking at it is let's use a timeline to help us. So 0.13 is here. Okay, so this is 0.13, right? And I want 0.03 more than that. So let me move to the right by 3 places. Okay, so let's move to the right. 1, 2, and 3. And so what we get is 0.16. Okay, which was what we have understood. So then let's look at what is 0.04 less than 0.18. So another way of looking at it is what is 400th less than 1800th. What is 400th less than 1800th? So you know that it's 1400th. So I can use the number line again. So if this is 1500th, this is 0.16, 0.17, this will be 0.18. So this will be 0.18. And so I want 0.04 less than that. So I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the left. And so what I will get is 0.14. So this is 1400th or 0.14. Now understanding thousandth is exactly the same, so that's why for the purpose of keeping the video short, I'm not talking about it. But if you have questions, please feel free to ask. So it's time for us to do. Let's try this question together. What is 0.3 more than 2.8? Now I'll need you to copy the question as well as copy the number line. Okay, you can pause the video now to copy it, and then I will move on. So what is 0.3 more than 2.8? So first, we need to understand where is 2.8. So 2.8, if this is 2.5, this is 2.6, this is 2.7, this is 2.8. So 2.8 is here. So I want 0.3 more than that. So more means I'm going to increase. So I'm going to increase by 3 spaces. So 1, 2, 3 spaces, 0.3. That will give me 3.1. So like I said, another way of thinking about it is, what is 3 tenths more than 28 tenths? So 3 tenths more than 28 tenths is actually 31 tenths. And which you convert it to 3.1. Okay? So it's now time for you to try. So what is 0.3 less than 2.8? You will need to copy down the question. And so pause the video to copy the question and answer it. And then play it again to check your answer. You can pause the video now. So what is 0.3 less than 2.8? To do that, you need your number line as well. So let's locate 2.8. So 2.8 is here. This is 2.8. So I want 0.3 or 3 tenths less than 2.8. So I'll move 3 down, 1, 2, 3, and that will give me 2.5. So 0.3 less than 2.8 is 2.5. Did you get it correct? Let's do this question together. What is 0.05 less than 2.34? In other words, what is 500th less than 234/100th? To do that, let's use the number line. So please, again, you need to take down the question as well as the number line. You can pause the video and do it if you have not done so, and then continue on, continue playing with the video. So let's again locate 2.34 on the number line. So 2.34 is here. So I need 0.05 less than that. So which means I will move down by 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will actually need, so this position is actually 1 less than 2.3. So that will be actually 2.29. So 0.05 less than 2.34 is 0.05. So again, you try. What is 0.07 less than 14.44? Copy the question, pause the video to do it. So to help us answer this question, we will need the help of the timeline. So let's locate 14.44. So 14.44 is 14.44 is here. So this is 14.44. So I want 0.07 less than that. So I need to move by 7 places down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places down. And that would be 14.37. Okay, because if this is 14.35, this 14.36, this will be 14.37. So 0.07 less than 14.44 is 14.37. So we've come to the end of our first video. Are there any questions? If you have, please post them in the Google form. See you for the next video.